About 500 years ago, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu predicted that this Krishna consciousness movement would spread in every town and village all over the world. This prediction was made when people didn't even know how many continents were there. And at that time, he predicted that it will spread in every town and village. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and his words can never go in vain. And today we are seeing how his prediction is becoming a reality. And it all happened, it all started by Srila Prabhupada going to America at the age of 70. Penniless, literally penniless. He goes to America, and within 10 years' time, he spreads this movement all over the world, and he made that arrangement through his institution, the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, or ISKCON, that even after his disappearance, his mission is continuing to spread. Krishna Consciousness movement is spreading most amazingly all over the world. And that massive historic event actually started here in this building, in this number 1 Ultadanga Junction road, when Srila Prabhupada met his spiritual master in 1922. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur got this place in 1918 when he moved to Calcutta from Mayapur. Today, ISKCON got the possession of this building. After a long endeavor, we have acquired this building, and our plan is to keep this building just the way it used to be in 1922 when Srila Prabhupada met his glorious spiritual master, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. This is going to be a heritage building, and we are going to keep it just the way it used to be. Of course, we'll do some minor renovations and repair, but the thing is that this building will remain simply to show the world in what a simple way this glorious movement began. How this 26-year-old young man, who at that time was the manager of a pharmaceutical company in Calcutta, met his spiritual master, and during his first meeting, his spiritual master told him, "You are an intelligent, young, educated man. Why don't you take up the mission of spreading Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's message all over the world?" And during the first meeting, the instruction Srila Prabhupada received, he made it his life's mission. For about 43 years, he was struggling, preparing himself to achieve that mission, and finally he goes at the age of 70. His mood was, my spiritual master wanted me to do something, and I haven't been able to do that. I haven't been able to accomplish that. But at this very end of my life, let me give it a try. He goes to America in 1965. And then what happened will be written in the book of history in the golden words, what Srila Prabhupada has achieved. And with the passing of time, this movement will grow and Srila Prabhupada's glory will be enhanced. So Srila Prabhupada's glory will spread all over the world. And then everybody will see from what a humble beginning this massive mission actually took place. We are already seeing people from all over the world are coming here to see this place. And in this way, the glory of the city, Calcutta, will spread. People from all over the world will come to see this wonderful place, this number 1 Ultadanga Junction road, where Srila Prabhupada met his spiritual master for the first time. So you also come, please come and see this place, and which is one of the most important Tirtha Sthan. Hare Krishna.